Bob. Babe!
I can't believe you would do this to me, babe.
Babe, what did I do but take a cute picture of you?
Cute picture, babe. I look like a freaking gremlin.
Babe, I'm totally gonna set this one as my background.
Don't you dare set that as your wallpaper.
I'm not gonna set it as my wallpaper. That was so stupid. I took it from a low angle. I can take it from a high.
It's too late. I'm already dead.
Babe, you are totally like a model right now.
No.
Just smile.
No.
Babe, come on. This one's kind of nice.
Okay, Sly.
But personally, I think the first one is so much better.
It's burning my eye.
Babe, I'm getting so emotional. I can't take losing you anymore. Babe, be quiet. The crows are here.
They're here because I'm dead, babe, and they know it.
You're playing dead too good. Babe, if you stop dying, we can do the thing.
The thing?
We can do the thing.
No. What?
The
The thing?
oh, yeah.
Thank you, babe.